Okay, so you can see we're back to work on the bus today. We've already been welding and grinding on the passenger side of the bus. Made a few patch panels, one being right there where it looked like a forklift went through it. Another being this front section. I don't know if you remember, guys, but that's where all the cardboard and everything was at. This lower section underneath the door needed a small repair, so we pulled that one off. Also, obviously we have some more welding and grinding to do. We're working on trying to get the wheel well straight. It's coming out pretty clean. A few more pins and a little more pulling. Then we are going to work into this rear upper section where I've already started hammering and dolling. I don't know if you can see, but through this area right here was actually a crack all the way around. So we've started welding up some of their pull holes from the previous repair. We have the lower section of it pushed out pretty nice. It's coming around. Hopefully by the end of the day we can get this rear section completed, welded, grinded, and possibly start skim coating this back passenger section of the van today. And then we'll move on over to the driver's side. We'll get the bus moved and start working on the lower driver's side. It's pretty smashed up as well, and the inner wheel well, I don't know if you can see that in there, but that has been pushed back and up also. So I decided I would do the passenger side first, and then we can chain it down and pull this wrinkle out of the wheel well. So as for now, I guess it's back to the weld and the grind. I'm gonna keep swinging the hammer, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, I just want to stop for a minute because this is the last of our welding in this section over here. We have the crack that went all the way across, welded up. I weld a little, grind a little, weld a little. You want to keep the heat down. These are just the last of the few pins that we're gonna grind out, and then we will glaze it up. I don't know if you can see these pins or not, but we've been doing some heat shrinking and grinding since the last time I picked up the phone. Do remember, people, this is gasoline right here. Be careful. Some people will take a wet rag and stuff it in there. I just keep the fire extinguisher close. Pretty much we're gonna grind over this whole thing one last time, and then we'll break out some Evercoat glaze and glaze over this entire section and hopefully get it into primer here soon. Okay, so here it is, end of the day. We didn't quite finish the entire rear corner section, but we did get a lot of work done. Got it all glazed back up, and everything's perfectly straight. We'll continue working on through the next panel. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but that came out pretty damn straight, if I don't say so myself. So We have still have to put a new battery tray in this bus, but we have some dents up here in the belt line that we're going to go ahead and start pulling. And I don't know if you guys can see, but the whole deck lid is kind of pushed in a little bit, so we'll get that fixed hopefully tomorrow and continue working our way around. So that'll be that for the day. Thanks for watching and checking it out.